everyone, Meet Lauren here. You know, when the show The Bachelor is on, I usually get pretty excited about all the gossip and the fighting and all the cattiness that happens when there are group dates or like 3-on-1s or whatever. But, since The Bachelor is unfortunately not airing right now, I had to settle for Republicans going on a lunch date with the White House staff. But let me tell you, it was just as good. After all, as the president said yesterday, quote, "The worst is yet to come." Although I'm pretty sure he was talking about COVID, not Congress. So anyway, here are the bottom lines that I got from the fighting that happened. The Republicans saying they want a $1 trillion package is now officially out. They're going to do a bigger one, which is good. They should have done that, in my opinion, a long time ago. Instead, they were on a recess fighting like children and not properly planning. Now it's time to do a group project, and no one wants to do anything other than sharpen pencils and stare at walls and complain about stuff. But here is what we were able to learn. 1, the unemployment boost is likely getting dropped to $200 per week. This is devastatingly low if Republicans have it their way. Hopefully, they're just starting low and Democrats can negotiate them up. I'm not happy about this since I am a property manager with tenants on furlough, so this is pretty upsetting. This came right before Donald Trump said the unemployment boost would get reduced to 70%, which was really complicated and misunderstood by many. Don't worry, I was confused at first too. So some people thought we were smoking pot and having a new boost set to $420, which is wrong. But they actually mean 70% of wage replacement. They do not mean 70% of $600. This is really complicated, but basically it works out to around $120 to $200 per week. 2, almost all representatives at the lunch are worried about their re-elections and are focused on what's good for voters. They're seriously freaking out that they might lose to Democrats if they don't get their act together. 3, there's almost zero chance at this point that the bill is getting done this month. There's no one taking charge. Currently, it looks like the Treasury Secretary and Mark Meadows are in charge. So all of a sudden, a dude named after a Meadow and another guy who's a stock trader are going to rough up Congress and get this done somehow. So we'll see how that goes. 4, then Republicans like Kevin McCarthy say there might be direct money given to students or parents to help students afford distance learning. But fortunately, Senator Mitch McConnell and others have pretty much confirmed that yes, there will be another stimulus check, but as usual, no details on that. All right, well, honestly, I think this is my new show. It's official. After I'm done doing work on my property management course with Kevin, links down below, by the way, I'm gonna grab myself a glass of wine and watch my new drama show called The Real House Lives of Congress 2020. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.